everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on hi5 notification. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in hi5 and perform your search. Now select hi5 application. Scroll down until you find Notifications option. Tap on it. Now enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on hi5 notification. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.